Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a car that defines elegance, speed, and the true spirit of British performance, the 2026 Jaguar F-Type, a car that has always stood as a symbol of raw power, dressed in a perfectly tailored suit. Whether you're a fan of coupe styling or prefer the open-air thrill of the convertible, the 2026 F-Type delivers driving experience that's nothing short of intoxicating. Let's start with the design. From the first glance, the 2026 Jaguar F-Type makes a bold impression. It's aggressive, sleek, and has just the right amount of drama. Jaguar has refined the front fascia with slimmer LED pixel headlights and a wider, more imposing grille that gives the car a fierce presence on the road. The bonnet still carries those iconic power bulges, and the air vents add not just function but a layer of move to the sides, and you'll notice those flowing lines, short overhangs, and muscular haunches over the rear wheels, all of which scream performance. The flush deployable door handles and subtle use of chrome give it a modern, minimalistic touch. At the back, the car remains unmistakably F'd up. You've got those signature LED taillights with the chicane graphic, a subtly integrated spoiler, and of course, the quad exhaust setup on the R75 trims, which looks and sounds absolutely glorious. The coupe roofline adds to the athletic stance, while the convertible version feels like a pure luxury statement, with the fabric top seamlessly folding in seconds. Now, step inside and you're greeted with a cockpit that's every bit as luxurious as it is driver-focused. Jaguar has taken the premium game seriously here. The cabin is wrapped in Windsor leather, suede cloth, and brushed aluminum with contrast stitching. The driver-oriented layout puts everything exactly where you want it. From the tactile toggle switches to the rotary dials, the seats are 12-way adjustable with heating and cooling functions, offering comfort on long highway drives and perfect bolstering during spirited cornering. The center of the dashboard features a 10-inch Touch Pro infotainment system paired with a crisp 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The screen resolution is sharp, the interface is fast, and it supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Meridian sound system is a treat for audiophiles, offering deep bass and clear mids even when you've got the top down. Ambient lighting. It allows for customizable mood settings while dual on climate control keeps both the driver and passenger in their comfort zone. Jaguar has also upgraded the digital driver display in the 2026 model. It's more customizable now, allowing you to switch between full navigation view, performance dials, or media information. There's also a head-up display available in the higher trims, which projects speed, navigation, and warnings directly onto the windshield, a subtle but very useful touch. Under the hood, the real magic happens. The 2026 F-Type offers a range of powertrains depending on your flavor of performance. Starting with the base P300 model, you get a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine pushing out 296 horsepower and 295 pounds-ft of torque. It may be the entry-level engine, but it's quick enough to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds. However, things get serious with the P450 and R75 variants. The P450 boasts a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 making 444 horsepower and 428 pounds-ft of torque, delivering a raw and responsive throttle with a deep, crackling exhaust note that feels alive. But for those who want the full experience, the F-Type R75 is where it's at. With 575 horsepower and 516 pounds-ft of torque, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, and the adaptive suspension system constantly adjusts to road conditions, making it comfortable in the city and razor-sharp on mountain roads. The steering is precise, the chassis is balanced, and the car feels like it's carved from a single block of aluminum. Jaguar has also refined the gearbox, an 8-speed quick-shift transmission that's responsive and smooth, offering manual mode via the paddle shifters if you really want to take control. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up twisty back roads, the 2026 F-Type delivers a ride that's confident, poised, and emotionally engaging. Safety tech is also on point. You get features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system that makes tight parking spots feel effortless. Despite its performance edge, Jaguar hasn't skimped on driver assistance and everyday usability. Now let's talk pricing. The base P300 coupe starts at around $78,000, making it one of the more accessible luxury sports cars. The P450 V8 model steps up to roughly $93,000. And if you want the full-fat R75 model, you're looking at a starting price north of $117,000. Of course, with options and packages like the carbon exterior pack or upgraded interior trims, that number can climb. But you get a lot of car for the money, both in terms of performance and presence. To sum it all up, the 2026 Jaguar F-Type is more than just a pretty face. It's a celebration of performance, luxury, and that uniquely British charm. Whether you choose the coupe or the convertible, 4-cylinder or V8, this car delivers on all fronts. It's sleek, it's powerful, it's luxurious, and it's one of the few cars that makes you feel special every time you get behind the wheel. So, if you're looking for a head-turning sports car that sounds like thunder and drives like a dream, the 2026 Jaguar F-Type should definitely be on your radar. Let me know in the comments what you think of this beautiful beast. Would you take it over a Porsche 911 or a Mercedes-AMG GT? Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.